Guys, today we are going to make coffee powder.
Sorry, but now.
It's okay, so she was giving me jalebis. So let's start. First, you need coffee powder. You need coffee before that, and you need this thing and a bowl to crush it. And then here's your coffee powder. So then, you see right there, you need to crush it more, that it can make fine coffee powder. So then I'm going to show you right now. Look, here it is. You need to do this thing. Okay, I'm okay. Back to this. Now after this thing, if there's a stain, then you need to just sprinkle it off. Look, look. I have these powder. Okay, so then let's find a container. I'll be back.